Welcome to another how-to video.
Hey everyone, today our topic is all about how you can transfer your Brawl Stars account to another device. Before we start, make sure you have your own Supercell ID that is synced so that your game progress is still there. As you can see, I have my own account, but my progress is not here because it's on my other device. So all you have to do is click the Supercell ID button at the top left of your screen. As you can see, there's my account that has progress. Now to transfer, just click Login to Supercell ID, click Continue if they ask to load an existing account. You just have to enter your email. For example, I will put mine and click Logged In. After you put your own email address, you just have to go to Gmail or whatever type of email you use to log in to copy the code to verify your account. After you copy the code and paste it to your Brawl Stars, click Submit, and there, the syncing will start. You just have to wait for it to finish, and that's it. That's how to transfer your Brawl Stars account to another device.
That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.